Hey everyone, welcome to Gaming Explained. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to change your name on Smashing 4. So without any further ado, let's get started. We change our name on this game in order to reflect change in our identity or simply because we prefer a different name. Now in order to do so, first of all click on the 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner. Here tap on the settings option. And here you can see change name option, tap on it. Now type in the new name. You'll also have to keep in mind that you can change your name only once for free. The next time you wanna change it, you'll have to use the gems. After you're done, tap on the confirm button. And if you're sure, tap on the confirm button once again. So that is how you can change your name on Smashing 4. Thanks for watching Gaming Explained. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment down with any questions or feedback. And if you're new, subscribe and stay updated for the future videos.